Baba, and he wanted to make center. Even in Mehrabad, when he was little, what he did, he made center there, but that is another story. But this compound, when he comes, he wanted to make center, Baba Center. So he made this room center.
Which room?
This one. This is called mini center.
Okay, that's
Small
what's it.
center. That is in a big center. This is small center.
So he made this into a Baba center.
Yeah, he made, this is in Baba Center. When this center, is made, behind this, there is window.
Okay.
Look, can I turn on that light? Okay, window back there.
Uh-huh.
He decorated from there and he made steps, with mom's, trunks.
With trunks, he made steps.
Steps.
Oh, cute.
Okay. My mom, she was in the hospital that time. So my uncle came and stayed with us. His name is Dheeraj. So Dheeraj.
Terrage.
Yeah. So my mom, she was in the hospital. He made in a center. So he said to my uncle, buy this, buy that, everything, he started buying. Uncle got money, so uncle was buying everything. Like he said, I need cloth, to put, cover that steps. He covered that. Then he bought small toys and kept, from top to bottom to decorate. He made in one photo. That photo is given by Baba. Ma? वो फोटो कहाँ है वो जो बाबा ने दिए थे अपन ने यहाँ लगाए थे किसने ले गए और somebody took that photo. So that photo was given to my dad when he came first time. And that photo my father gave to her, but from her somebody took it. Because she's getting old, she keeps in a thing, it disappears.
You mean now?
Yeah.
Happens now?
Yeah. It disappeared. So anyway, that he decorated like this from there to here. Now we got problem for chair. What to do in our chair, we have to get chair. So Meghna said, I want for Baba a very comfortable chair. So I go to Adi. I said, Adi, give me your chair, which one you get to center. Now you have to give us. He said, I have been just made this chair. So he was happy, He told, someone to bring here, Lakshman, everybody they brought, kept here. Now, that chair, Meghna decorated again. He took out, her saris, which one, we use for Baba, in Mehrabad too. But Padri used to take, that from my mom. That is the best sari. Baba said, one is married sari her, another is, the same type bought, and the thread is all silver. Silver, real silver thread. And that sari is with Meghna. He kept away now. I don't have. So he decorated that. Now, everything was done. He told Baba, Mr. Khilani's children were next door. They wanted to make center too. They saw Meghna's center, Meghna's idea, they took it. And they decided to make in their room.
What did they take?
To make center in their house. So they made an center. So they used to send, their little kid, who is working for him, go, what new thing, Meghna brought, so we can get it like that. So that kid used to spy. He used to look
He
out.
always wanted to make sure that they weren't
And
left out.
They tried to make better, but Meghna's center was wonderful. I did not work at all from Merna Center.
Because it's coming from his heart.
He made himself. Center, he made himself. And I wasn't allowed to come much, because Merna used to get upset anything moving or anything knocking down. He wanted everything clean. He used to clean himself. The servant, they would knock down, that's why he let go, near that Baba thing. And then he wrote to Baba, come for opening our medicine. My center is complete. There wasn't fan, nothing. Completely this room was, not this window made afterwards. There wasn't window. This added, after Baba dropped his body, money helped us. She said it is so hot in this room. So that time, she added that, So only that thing was there. Now Baba comes, Ma? She lives in. Baba comes here, Merna tied, ribbon.
Let me go over here. You go outside?
No, you can stay
I'll stay. I'll move over here. Wait. I'll move over here so I can see what you're saying.
right here. Merna tied the ribbon to cut, for Baba. So first, like Baba comes here, and that was it. So mom just started with Baba. Merna, he was, that was his center, so he was, I was behind. So with Caesar, I was studying because I was like, working for him. But I wasn't doing the inside. So then that Caesar, I gave to Merna gave to Baba. But, so Baba got, that giving. That he entered inside, sat, on the chair. And Mom, she went, the job. Like this, and she was Baba went. That Merna went. And with, in the family, she went. And then one day, they came behind, I came with them inside. Now, here, Baba is sitting.
This chair.
This wasn't there. This added now.
Right.
That cupboard added now. Nothing was here, But that cupboard was there, but just now they made it nicer. But cupboard is same. It was a like broken cupboard. Open cupboard. Then later on, now they made plain. Like that, that is all right. It was like that.
Right.
So Baba sat here, and then Baba asked Merna, how many members you have? He said, none. I'm only one. Baba said, what about Sheila? He said, she doesn't work for me. She doesn't do anything for center. So why should I allow her? So Mom was just listening, like, both, we were talking. So I said, Baba said, Sheila, you should do something, for, little help. So he'll let you come. No, Merna, allow her to come. Because this is center. When you call center has to be, member. So he said, she makes dirty. She comes with dirty feet. This and that. He started complaining. So Baba said, don't do that, keep it clean and then come. Because he wants clean, this is center. Now that is done. Baba said, now you sing our prayer read. So in Hindi, we did 3 prayers. Then Baba said, okay, prayer finished. Now Aarti. So my ma, mat bhago na to. Ma, mat bhago. So,
Oh, my purse is out there.
Oh, pulse is too high.
My purse is out there. Thank you.
And now, I'm going to put in the car.
You're sitting out there.
So anyway, Mernath and mom was standing both sides, and I am like, because I'm not member, so I had to be a little nervous because I'm member. So I was, trying to be near, mandali like this. All they were standing, Rich was standing because he was reading,
The
Baba's
Bible was on the chair.
chair, and Baba is saying, Rich is, talking. And all mandali, they were standing around. It was really, really, really hot. So hot, you won't believe.
But they must have thought how cute.
They were going to Pune,
Oh,
March. They were going.
They were on their way out.
In the way they came. So anyway, my mother, went in the door. But entrance, was different. I will show you. The Baba came. My mother took thali. That red stuff, she put it. And then first, she put it in Baba. And she put, the rice on that. And then Mernath, he did, I did that thing.
oh.
And then we did an aarti there in the Baba's. And mother, in India, they say, you take water and you do like this and throw out. So the person always comes to your house. So we wanted Baba always should come. So we did not want to do that, but she did. She said, Baba will come always, we should try this. So she did like this, and she threw that water. Yeah, so Bhaiya Pandey, came here to take pictures, but he had to pay. We had to pay him advance, and we did not have that kind of money, so we did not pay. So no pictures.
Oh.
That happened, We were, we thought Baba is always with us. Why we don't take picture, we don't have money, why? So forget. So we never paid attention. Adi was there too, Adi kept me in this. So Adi was kind of complaining. Oh yes, man. So Baba said, shut up. Let Mernath speak. And Eraj, you tell. Adi, you don't tell. So Adi was kind of quiet, listening what Baba is saying. He couldn't tell Baba anything. So that is the opening of center. And Baba said to him, which day you will sing here? So he said, I like Thursday. So Baba said, why Thursday? He said, because my mother told I was born on Thursday. So I think, that is lucky day. I met you before, I was born. So Thursday is good day. So Baba said, wonderful, wonderful.
How
You
cute.
continue that Thursday. So Thursday, Mernath used to have aarti, everything. Then our all member increased. Vinod Khilandi, Raj Khilandi, they came. We did aarti and everything. Mernath used to give us prasad. Whatever he said, sang. Some servant used to come in, he let them come. And he said, if you sing Baba Bhajan, only let them come, otherwise out. So he was strict.
Yeah.
So they learned, Baba Bhajan. He taught them words, and they used to listen in center, servants. They used to sing here. So he got member plus he got singer. without harmonium, without drum.
Yeah.
But we used to sing. After like 2-3 bhajan, I used to get, then to prayer and that, we used to be Merna prayer, then behind it we used to sing. Then he used to do aarti. One line he used to sing, then next we used to repeat. So like that we did. That Baba used to ask him every time when we go to Maharajan, how many member increase. So he used to count and tell. Baba said, very good, very good. That is good. So small kid was allowed, here. So some, Vaman Padole's, children, 2 girls, and his brothers, 2 girls, they were little. So he allowed them to come here, and they were a member of this center too, whole time. So that is the story. Now mom and everybody, Baba start going this way. So mom and Merna, they start following. One day they start following. I was behind because everybody wanted to go. And
Should we go? Gonna
Yeah.
show Rama? Show us
This
how
is
Rama
all-
show us?
Yeah. Mom, up. Oh, dear lady. First Baba went, Merna holded Baba's hand, one side, and another side, Airaj. And then my mom was behind, and then Mandali I start going to them because I did not work for this center. So I felt like, I should take credit that time. I was feeling that. I was feeling guilty that he did so much work and I didn't do anything. And Baba is saying, do it. But mostly in America that I fought in childhood. That's why I was avoiding, not to disturb, in his, stuff. So that is the reason. Then Baba moved, from this room. Baba moved from this room to this room. In this, there are changes, let me speak. All this cupboard,
Yeah, they weren't here.
all added. Nothing was there. It was an empty room. And only Baba Center was there, that decoration. And I told you, trunks, and Baba chair, was taken afterwards, to Adi. That was his chair. So this one was there, this door was there.
Right.
This door was there, so Baba came from here. And Baba goes, straight Baba goes like this. And the mom's got, I got, this one. That is different cot, double bed. है तुम्हारे पास वो cot?
वो पलंग लेके
She Raj took, that cot,
एक पलंग निकाली थी मैंने एक पलंग
But anyway, so this one, my cot I have, at my home. I took it that, because of very precious for me. So the cot, one cot was here, another cot was here. This cupboard wasn't there. Our every cot, was pushed, that side.
एक कपड़े नहीं थे
But this whole thing was pushed, against the wall.
Yeah.
So we got so much space. This door was open. This door. So Baba comes from there, and he goes here, holding this bar, and looking at that bed, and he said, "Who sleeps here?" So I said, Mom said, I sleep, Baba, and next to me, Merna sleeps. So that Baba said, is it sufficient now? That Baba himself told, Adi to give that big, cot. No, that wasn't Adi. That was Padri, made that. cot. Before we were coming, that is made there. He brought in tanga, such a huge cot. He kept it like this. He sat in the tanga and brought, from Nagar to Mehrabad.
Why did someone else take her cot then? Why did someone else have her cot?
No. So, this cot was up to here, but it is pushed, that's way. Here was, space. Here, she used to keep, that trunk. Our trunk was gone, under Marriott Center. Everything we used to keep in that trunk.
Yeah.
Iron trunk we used to keep. We brought that from Mehrabad. That story you must have read in our draft. So, I was that side. Then Baba came, and then he touched my, that cot, and he said, "Who sleeps here?" I said, "I do, Baba, I do." So Baba, so many mattresses. I said, "Yes, Baba, because I like soft." Then he said, "Pillow is soft too." I said, then I told Baba's story how I make soft. They get flat. I shout at my mother, cry, At first she shouts at me. Still I try to tell her that, I want soft. So she made one silk, mattress. Because it was so much trouble, every time to make it, she has to spend money. And we did not have that kind of money. Even, that is same material, same thing, but you have to pay labor charge. So she did not want to do that. So she made one special silk cotton. Material is silk. My uncle came. She took money from him, went in bazaar, made that and gave me. So that silk cotton did not get flat. So her problem solved, So Baba saw that silk cotton thing, lifted. And Baba liked that very much. He said, good. He did, here, he did to Mernath, he did to my mom, loving. And then here, he goes to me. Oh, good. This is very good bed. And then Baba goes from here.
Mm-hmm.
And as he's going, everybody was following Baba. Erich was there. Bernard was holding hand to Baba up to car. And Baba sat in the car. No, he did not sit. Then he went to Killan. Mr. Killan. Their center opening was there. So they did in a center opening. We went there too. So their room was really tiny and small and very small center because there wasn't much space. Only one room they were not using. So they made center. So that was, they also did same thing, tying ribbon and everything. They used to see Mernath, they used to do same thing. So then Baba cut ribbon, went inside, he stood up there, and they did prayer and everything. Everybody couldn't go inside, couldn't see anything inside because room was too small. So Raj Vinod and Eraj, all they were inside. We were standing out.
Did Baba also ask them how many members do you have? Things like that? No.
I because we couldn't hear, we were so back, and our height, they were tall. We were shorter. So we were behind Prem Killan. He was really tall. He was standing right in the door. His wife, was standing there because it was their own. So they were inside, So Baba in a folded hand, they did prayer, everything. And Baba came out, went to car. Car was parked right in front of the door because I think that time was Sheikh drive. So either Sheikh or Yusufa, I don't remember that. I think Sheikh. So Sheikh took him car in front of Killan's door, and Baba came out, sat in the what you call it, the car. And from there, Kilani's both kid, they saw Mernath was holding hand when Baba came here. So they grabbed Baba's both hand, one side one side one. They walked, with Baba. And there it was like, following Pendu, my father, everybody, Aliba, they were like, kind of like, saying, that Baba shouldn't get hurt.
Right.
Baba shouldn't step on the edge, They were trying to do that. And then they were, Erich, no, I think, Erich and they, that driver left, door open for Baba. And then Baba came, and Baba sat, he closed the door. Erich, made sure that everything is fine. All they sat in the car, left. That is the story of this mini center, Mernath's mini center.
Yeah, kid.
We used to call in Hindi, Chota Center.
The center.
Baba also said Chota Center.
Chota center.
So people won't understand, that's why I'm saying mini. So this is the all this thing added.
The cupboard, right.
Yeah, this cupboard, made,
Right.
yeah. Now, it was there was door to go that side.
Oh. And then they turned it into a, I see.
Yeah, there
Yeah.
money, closed from that side because that is trust office.
Ah.
So now, the problem is this, this much space is there. So mom, made into cupboard. She doesn't have much space.
Right.
So it turned into cupboard.
Right.
Now this window wasn't there. It was, plain. After some time, what happened? As Mernath grew up, he got caught here. That cot he, another cot, we put there, and that also cot given by Baba. So he got his own bed.
Does he have
So-
it with him?
Hmm?
Where's his cot? Did he keep his cot?
I don't remember. Must be this, this old cot. Must be this. So he got this cot and it was bigger. Yeah, it must be this. I will ask mom. That is same cot. So he got bigger. I got smaller. My cot, you can come and see in my house. It is narrow. So I said, I'm older. I'm taller. I'm growing. So this cot I should have. And he should take that one. Baba said, no. That is good for you. And this is good for Mernath. So Mernath has big. I have a really narrow in beginning, which one given. And what happened? This cot, Mernath took my place. So my cot I put here. So I was sleeping here. Later on, Baba's time, but I was sleeping here. There wasn't window, no window. So after Baba dropped his body, money came. Somebody who was Lindsay's, first ex-husband, he came this side, and he said whole trust office fixed, and our wasn't fixed. The roof was that gunny sack in the roof. So what used to happen, mud is to fall in. So middle is to hang like this, get heavy. Because from here mud fall, it is to slide right in middle. From this side is to slide, right in middle. Then one day what is to happen, it is to get very heavy. And then between that, it is to tear. And all mud is to fall. Then again, my mom used to tell Adi. So Adi used to send servant, and they used to sew, with what you call with it called in a big needle called dabal in India. They call dabal that needle. So that needle they used to bring,
It's for sewing gunny sacks and this.
that is only for Ganesha. So, but they used to do, what used to happen, the whitewash used to fall in their eyes. As they're doing, that got whitewashed, that gunny sack. Nobody knew that is gunny sack until it is to tear. So they used to sew that. Then again fixed, again mud is to collect. So this guy comes, Lindsay's ex-husband. He said, that side, they made, roof, this side, trust office, they made roof. All over they made roof. And by accident, he just walked this side. He thought this is trust office. And he came inside and he looked all over. He was shocked. He must have paid for fixing all that thing. So he was shocked. He said, why it is broken? Just now they fixed, why it is broken. Because he did not realize, this is not trust office. He got confused with trust office, He did not know we are staying here. And he said, looks kind of funny, table and this and that, then he walked in a little bit further. He saw center. He said, I did not see all this thing. What is it? So he goes to money. And my mom came out. He saw mom. Mom couldn't speak, that time much, So he spoke, something with mom. She couldn't. I was in the bathroom, so, I came out. Mom called me. So I put it on clothes and I came out. I said, yes. So mom said, tell him, that we stay here. This is not trust office. So she said, so he said, who are you? I said, we stay here, Baba kept us. So we stay here. So he said, did you see Baba? I said, yeah, I saw Baba. My mother saw Baba. My brother saw Baba. So he met, then he goes, but I did not tell I'm Baba's daughter or anything because we were not used to. We were not used to telling people, we belong to them. We used to feel like we are Mandli's children. So he goes and asks money. That corner in our family is staying and their house is so broken. Why? Why you didn't fix? So money goes, I don't have money now. Money finished. So that guy said, I will pay again. Get done. So money and that guy both, what is his name? His ex-husband.
Hermes?
No, Hermes is second one. First
I didn't know her first name.
She divorced. She divorced.
I'm not
So
Hermes.
Lindsay's first husband came with money. And they start taking, look how much money you need. So money goes, it will be around $10,000. So he said, okay, doesn't matter, whatever. But when next I come, it should be good. So that money paid by that guy. We were not used to taking money, anything. Money, herself she took and she arranged everything. Then she said, do this, do that, make window. So money got done this. And this is the mirror. My mom said, I need one mirror. So this is not same mirror, I think. Which mirror? The first mirror broke, she bought new one. That's why I was thinking. So she made, here mirror and here was table, down. So it looked like dressing table. Then Mera came for opening of this house. We got, tea, everything, biscuits, and your mom, she made, she is very good cook. Baba used to say that she's number one cook. So she number one cook, made some snack, that was sufficient, like, food. She served, to Mani and Mera. And then this room changed, by money. We did not do anything in this room change. She did.
But we should do the trust thing because Rama's getting tired.
Yeah.
Let's do the trust
मैं
thing.
जाती है.
Or you
हाँ तो 2 मिनट यहाँ आके खड़े हो.
want to do it out on the veranda or
Okay.
here?
2 seconds. This is, my mom, and her name is Rama Kalchuri. And when in trust office, when first up we moved, nobody was allowed to come our side, boys. They shouldn't come this side. That was Baba's order. And Baba said to Adi, take care. And anybody you want to keep in trust office, you have to take Rama's permission. So whole life Adi obeyed that. First, I think, who came? Jacko, Bob Strait, and David Fenster. So Jacko comes first, and Adi comes and he said, Rama, I like to keep, that Jacko here. Do you allow? Mernat and I go, Mommy, say yes. We thought never, we felt so happy. Nobody was in the compound. First, William used to stay, he passed away. So I said, say yes, Mommy, say yes. And Mommy goes, I don't think so. Like she wasn't sure. So, then Adi, said, whatever you say, yes or no. So I said, Mommy, say yes, come on. And Merna said, Arey Ma, bol. So that was big help. When Merna said she is to listen. So she said yes to Jack. Then Bob Street came. So same thing. Jack Small came, same thing. Adi took permission from her. That's why these guys, could stay in this trust office. So that is the story. Like Adi obeyed his order, Baba's order, until death. After that, everything changed.
बाबूजी की तरफ लिए
हाँ. नहीं लेने का. So, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba, Rama, Jai Baba. Okay. That's it until